Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a watch list on Thinkorswim. First, open the Thinkorswim platform and navigate to the Monitor tab. From there, locate the Watchlist gadget on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll manage all your custom lists. You can have several watch lists, each tailored to specific investment goals or market sectors. It's a powerful tool for keeping an eye on your potential trades. To create a brand new watch list, click the small gear icon located at the top right of the Watchlist gadget. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose the option that says Create New Watch List. A pop-up window will then prompt you to enter a name for your list. Make sure it's something clear and easy to remember, like tech stocks or dividend plays. This helps keep your trading organized. Once your new watch list is named, you can start adding symbols. Simply type the ticker symbol of a stock, ETF, or other security into the empty input field at the bottom of your watch list. After typing, press Enter on your keyboard or click the small plus icon next to the input box. You can add hundreds of symbols, allowing for comprehensive tracking of your desired assets. It's quick and easy to populate your list. Personalizing your watch list columns helps you see the most relevant data at a glance. Click the gear icon again, and this time select Customize. A window will open, letting you choose which data points to display, such as last price, bid, ask, or volume. You can also reorder these columns by simply dragging and dropping them into your preferred sequence. This ensures your watch list provides exactly the information you need.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.